fellas, thanks for coming and hanging out with us at Fasterproms here. Last week we took our Crown Vic to the drag strip here to test out our Circle D Specialties 3200 stall. It has made a night and day difference, but we needed to get some appreciable results to see what it was going to do on a 60 foot, because that's really what we need to be able to benefit on that vehicle. Well, after turning up the power and changing the converter on the street, this thing just totally and completely rips. An all-around better vehicle.
80 favors ready to make some steam, buddy.
Today's the day, Georgie.
All right, but they got a problem with the printer up there, and we are fighting against the weather right now too. It's supposed to rain in like an hour and a half or something, or maybe even earlier, but we're hoping it holds out. They said they got a problem with the timing system up there, so they're trying to fix it right now.
Yeah, they better fix it, because this thing don't run brand new time. Man.
Oh, no way!
Woo-hoo-hoo! We just smoked that Nova! Woo! Dang! Boy, she put me back in the seat just now. Holy crap, we just gapped that Nova. Circle D converters for the win! That was a good pass. Did horrible up top, but it was, wow. It was freaking ripping! Yeah. Holy shit! What? 774 with a 2.0 60 foot. Hey, dude.
That looked good. I couldn't believe you beat that car, dude.
Bro, the Nova gapped. Did you see this thing? It keeps rolling.
He's first pass.
Bro, that's like a second faster.
And unfortunately, it immediately began to rain. A couple days later, we got everybody together, went over to Showtime Speedway again, and we got everybody that was involved with the build. Josh got a number of parts for the Crown Vic for us, and of course, Lias and George, who've got some blood, sweat, and tears in this. I almost forgot to mention to also check out CircleDSpecialties.com. Now, they have an affiliate link, which is in the link in the description below, as well as a promo code. Use Raving21 for 5% off any Circle D Specialties products. If you guys are in the market for a converter, check out Circle D Specialties. We're extremely happy with their product, and we look to be using them a whole lot more in a bunch of future builds that we have going on.
Seatbelts, everyone! Oh, yeah. Oh, there is powered seats. I knew it.
Heated seats.
Yeah, this is like a sport model or something, I think.
Everybody's got, you know, some blood, sweat, and tears in this. Is like the good thing about this.
Yeah, lots of tears.
Yeah, I think you left a little blood in it last time. So this is our first drive. Well, I mean, she's got all the extra power now. So we got the extra boost, and we'll definitely lay down some bike marks. We'll just warm into it a little bit. This would be so fun to just like
Troll people.
Yeah, just totally troll people and rolling 4 deep right here in comfort. I mean, you comfortable back there, Lias?
Yeah.
You look pretty comfortable.
We need to hit like the interstate one of these days.
Comfortable?
Get a little top speed run. Not top speed, but you know, a little 3rd gear pull, 4th gear pull.
All I know is that it would be floaty because we're floating around right now.
Yeah, especially with these tires on
Indeed. Oh, there it comes. Yeah. It's like once you get past that little spot, it was like a good.
Oh, yeah, we gotta fix that.
Yeah, we do. I tried to lay into it at precisely the wrong spot, so I'll try that again. It didn't do it
so hard.
Yeah, yeah. Whoa!
Little brake fade.
Yeah, the brakes were not working there for a second.
Good thing we were just headed towards a ditch.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine.
Better than a dumpster.
Dude, 3rd gear is like holy crap. Like,
Hold on to your lug nuts. It pins you back.
It
so
does.
Good.
It really does.
Oh,
I don't
love
know
it.
about this in your truck, George.
I know, right? What am I talking about? I just crash you guys. I ain't losing to no Ford.
It is hopping up in here, dude.
Dude, is that a Crown Vic that was in front of us?
Yeah, there's actually quite a few Crown Vics. There's
Yeah, they have a new
We're
car.
here for the Derby race.
that one right there's got a cage in it and stuff too.
I think they have to.
Yeah.
That sounded a little sketchy.
Yeah, it did.
I'm not gonna lie.
Stay in it. Stay in
I
it.
thought she was about to let go.
I actually kind of want to see it do a flyby.
Whatever.
Put George in it. This is his baby. I think George loves this.
George secretly he like hates the Ford, but
Don't
loves.
say it
loves
dare
this
say
car.
that. Stop it.
Hate a Ford, love this car.
This ain't a Ford, this is a Crown Vic.
It is a fun freaking car, man. Really, everybody needs one of these.
Certified ripper.
You ready?
I'm ready. Went through the gears that time. Major likes me, man, I tell you.
Dude, this thing is awesome.
I didn't even floor it at the beginning, I just kind of laid into it.
I was like sad when he let off there.
Yeah.
He's moving. It's kind of funny to see it just walk.
Yeah, it does. It really does. How could anybody not like this car?
I don't know.
Damn, it is laying down some marks.
It sounds good.
What did it sound like that last pass?
Good. It's knocking though, but
It's knocking? Why, you seen like smoke come out? Must have been getting hot.
remember all the octane boosters that we have?
Yeah.
So then we gotta try them in here.
Oh, the boost tank?
Yeah, I was thinking it was like, it's probably hot.
Yeah.
I was, when you did the one down here, I was like, I wonder if that's going to be the one where the head gasket goes. You probably need to throw a little
boost tank in
fuel
there?
additive in there and all that.
It freaking rips though.
It does. It really does, dude.
Dude, the first pull we did, it didn't even like, it went through all the gears nice. It was like well into third gear before we got to you. I was like, all right, we're going to get out of it a little.
It does pull really well.
It's not getting hot. Don't even get hot anymore. I don't know what happened. Just
Fix
fixed
it.
itself.
Well, it usually never happens.
Yeah, so something happened.
I don't know if that actually happened.
Was the fan shroud after it was overheating?
I think the fan shroud got hot enough that it molded
Formed
itself.
good?
Yeah. Tight
Maybe
seal
that's what
now.
it was.
Really like your logic right there. Yeah.
It definitely warped a little
If
bit.
you look at it, it's flat.
It was
It's
like-
not flat anymore.
You know the best thing about this car, dude? Freaking turning radius. This thing park on a dime,
Stinks.
give you 9 cents change.
It's a race car. It's a comfortable race car. Can't have everything.
But if you want everything, get a Crown Vic.
Get a Cadillac? You're getting ahead of yourself, kid. Laz and I actually noticed that this thing was spark knocking a little bit when you were flogging the crap out of it. We actually had a case of this stuff sitting here on the shelf, and we haven't really ever tried it.
Waiting
So
for a special project.
it kind of is, honestly. Everything else we run E85, and there we go.
Boost tank.
So we're gonna throw some butane in this. We should be able to take care of any of the spark knock. We're gonna be able to raise the octane level. I think we're gonna be, if we had 15 gallons in there, raise the octane 2 points, I believe.
But this isn't just 93 in here, right? It's got a little bit of E, a little bit
It's
of...
got a little cocktail.
Yeah.
Overall average octane though is gonna go up about 3.5, 4 points.
Well, if you want to figure it out,
It's right
I'll
there.
give you a nice little graph.
All right, well, we're gonna put this in, and then the next rip that we have out in this thing is gonna be on a nice, spicier fuel blend. So let's go ahead and throw that in there.
Oh, you know what I found this morning? Freaking dead mouse in the shop. I think he was in Uncle Sam, and I started it up and squished him with a belt or something.
Didn't you just find a bird
Bird,
yesterday?
squirrel over there. So 3 gallons of 93, 1 jug of butane. We have here now.
Hold on. Inconsiderate jets.
Any day now. So we have 3 gallons of 93 here with 1 jug of butane. That makes it 108 octane. So if we throw another thing of butane in there.
No, just let's limit this to 1. We don't know how much we're going to be driving this thing. I want to stretch it a little bit, all right? We're just going to do 1, all right?
All right, fine. Put yours 1 in there then.
Yours just went in there. It's like having 2 more kids.
Shake it up.
It's all in the hips.
You're putting a lot of hips in it. Too much hips.
Oh, she's loving this.
That looks like about, you drink about 2 or 3 Mountain Dews and no water.
Not good for your kidneys. Good for the heart, though. Get that baby pumping. Just like this thing, heart's gonna be pumping now.
Well, fellas, as always, this was a ton of fun to make. I have so much fun with these guys and with this car. It is awesome. Now, we got Side Lee from Lee Tuning and Racing coming up this week. Do some more tweaking on the Crown Vic, trying to possibly make a little bit more power, but clean up that little breakup. I want to see this thing go a little bit faster here. As you guys saw right there, it was breaking up as George was going through the traps, so that car should have possibly run a 750, which is right on par for a mid-11. Not bad for a big old fat Crown Vic. Also, guys, we got some Talk Nerdy stuff coming up to you very shortly in following videos here about some torque converters as well as cylinder head porting, and we've got a really big build that I want to share with you guys. I wanted to say thank you guys so very much for your support for Fasterproms merch, our new shirt. It's absolutely killing it, and thank you guys so much for your orders because it really does help us on our trajectory of what we want to be able to do and accomplish at Fasterproms. So guys, also check that out in the link in the description below. It's been a crazy week down here in Tampa. At the very end of the video here, before a dog clip here, we got Ben's post-Super Bowl burnout. All right, guys, wanted to leave you with a quote here. And this one says, "The more we try to control our life, the more of an illusion we live. Fear is what drives control. What God always wants for us is greater than what we want." The song I got here for you is called Loud Pipes by Rat-a-Tat. Hope you guys enjoy. God bless you. We'll see you hopefully tomorrow.
That doesn't happen in Florida very much. All right. The happiness in that dog's face. It's gonna take him a minute. Pete, come here.